Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 3 natural remedies for beautiful curls. Almost every woman dreams of curly hair. However, very few people know what to do to keep curls longer and look perfect. That's why we'll tell you the top tools for this. 1. A remedy based on beer and lemon will easily cope with unruly hair and make your curls steady and beautiful. 2. The product based on coconut oil and honey contains indispensable amino acids that can easily cope with electrified hair and split ends. 3. A product based on avocado and vitamin E will help you speed up the restoration of damaged hair and a problem with combing unruly curls. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.